to go with something white and kind of cozy feeling. So this is actually kind of like a felt wreath, and it's more of a creamy color rather than a pure white. And I got it actually from Walmart, and I saw a couple people use this for their Christmas setup. So a lot of my like winter things are clearance from Christmas. So this is one of them. I just like that it's really simple. Again, because of the fabric, it's really cozy. It has a touch of gold just so it gives it some sort of pop. And even there's like gold threading on the actual felt leaves, so I think it looks really nice. Here's a little overview of our main living space, which is almost the same as Christmas, but not exactly. So we can start over here. I've been getting a lot of inspiration from Lisamarie at Paper Glam on YouTube, and she just made seasonal living into a hobby almost, and it's been really fun to like follow along with her planner stickers and her seasonal living lists and tips. So one thing she does is she has taper candles on her like dining room table, and she changes out the color of the tapers for each season. And I thought these are actually kind of silvery, and they are from World Market, and I thought that also added to the wintry effect. And I feel like it would look better on like a wide table, but I really wanted two tapers, so the round table will have to work for now. Here is the bookcase behind our little dining table. And in my previous Christmas home tour video, it was kind of set up almost to be like a China hutch type of thing, but now it's much more set up to be a bar. It's a new hobby of me and my fiance's, so it's been fun to try out like different cocktails, but I'm just a boring wine girl, I guess, so I like my wine. Again, a Lisamarie inspiration is dressing up your wine bottles, and it just kind of makes it really fun and festive, and I am all about like cute things, like that's just always been in me. So I thought these were so adorable, and these two are like party reindeers, so they kind of look like they're going to like a New Year's party. And then the owl I thought was just really cute and white and wintry. Then coming to our little entryway table, we have the big mirror here, same as always. I have been looking for white roses for the whole month of January, and I've only been able to get them once, and there was only like one pack of them wherever I went, I forget where. So for now, I settled on white with a touch of pink roses, and they just smell so good, and I've really been loving them. I have the flowers set on a stack of books that give the feel of like a fresh new year. So there's the book of clean, the book of home organization, and the curated closet is for if you want to create like a capsule wardrobe. So I think that looks really nice, and again, like blue and white and like clean fresh colors is what I was kind of going for. I got this new little tray from, it might be Home Goods, just to put our keys on. And then the candle that I'm burning right now, it's in this snowflake candle holder from Bath & Body Works. And inside is frosted cranberry, which is a really great winter scent. In the last tour, our record player was actually on like the console table behind our couch, but I knew it wasn't going to stay there just because I wanted that space to decorate. So we ended up moving everything here, and it's still been nice. It's nice that it's kind of on more of a display, even though it might not seem like it since it's on a lower shelf, but it turned out to be the perfect place for it. And I've been changing out the record covers like based on what is appropriate. And again, there's the blue and white, which is very wintry, and it's actually Breakfast at Tiffany's soundtrack, which is one of my favorite movies, and because I love Audrey Hepburn, so I thought that was pretty cute. Here is the little TV area. Ignore that little section with the wires. I still don't know what to do about it. But on either side of the TV, I decided to have pillar candles each season. These marble, they're super heavy, marble candle holders are from Target, and they were a Christmas clearance again. These little like white birch candles were also Christmas clearance from Kohl's. They kind of look like a birch log, and also they're a little sparkly, and they're actually scented, but I don't think I would actually light these. And it came with the charm. It actually came with a red ribbon, but I changed it out for white again for like the winter feel, and I think it works perfectly. And I have the same thing on the other side for some symmetry. Then we have the couch, and something new is a coffee table, and we ended up getting a coffee table with some Christmas money that we got. And again, pink roses. It looks really funny because I think that having these pops of pink for the flowers really makes a difference in like the whole scheme. So if it was white roses, I feel like it would definitely give a better winter vibe, but they're just so beautiful and they smell so good, so I'm not mad at them. On top, I have a tray with the flowers again. You can see the Paper and Glam influence if you're also a fan of hers. I have this little box that I got maybe from Home Goods years ago that holds remotes, and then some coasters, and they're just plain marble coasters again, winter white, clean and fresh. And I have some snowflakes here, and this goes kind of to the area behind the couch. But real quick on the couch, I've had this furry blanket from Target for years, and it's one of my favorite throw blankets. And I have it out most seasons, but I think it really matches with the winter theme again. And then I have the same Christmas snowflake pillows that were from the Target Christmas line this year. And then behind it, I actually have these really pretty like pillows. They're down pillows, and this is actually, the pillow inside is actually the red plaid pillow that I had at Christmas, and I just changed the pillow covers. And these pillow covers I got on Etsy, and I love them so much. They're I think they're called heathered linen, and the lighting is really weird right now because I have like natural light on this side and it's kind of blue, and I have my warm lamp on the other side. But I think they're so beautiful. They're so well made. I love that it has kind of like this edging, and then there's like a hidden zipper. And when I bought the red pillows during Christmas, I didn't know that the covers were removable. But while I was cleaning up all my Christmas stuff, I was thinking, like, I could just buy new covers for these instead of buying whole new pillows, because again, when you're in an apartment, you have to think about where you're going to store everything after the season. So storing a pillow cover is much easier than storing a whole pillow. So these are just so beautiful. I got 2 of them just to match on each side. Then here is the area behind our couch. Again, we have our engagement pictures up here, which were in the Christmas tour. So I moved, as I mentioned, I moved the record player and records from the top of this table, and now there's more room for me to decorate, which is so exciting. And I think this will be like our main focus area because it's an area where you can see it from most angles of the room. So, and it's like out of the way, like nothing needs to be on top of here really. So it'll be fun to like deck it out for each holiday. I knew I wanted to have apothecary jars on top of this and like change out the fillers each season. But for winter, I was kind of just thinking like, what can I do? And also I was a little late when I was decorating for winter, and I kind of missed all those after Christmas clearance sales with like the little bottle bush trees and like little pine cones. So I was thinking like, what else can I do? So what I did was I got these little plastic snowflakes that can be used as ornaments. They're glittery and silver, and I got those from Amazon. And I also, I don't know if you can see, at the bottom I have like faux acrylic gem looking things, and I kind of just place them in there almost like they're falling snowflakes, and I think that that adds a really nice clean touch. And again, it's super light and airy, which I kind of feel like winter feels like to me. This season I did all the same filler, so they all have the acrylic gems at the bottom and then the plastic glittery snowflakes on top of them. They're all like meant to look kind of nonchalant, as if they just fell down. So that's been really fun. Then I also have on either side these 2 wooden skis, and they're just little white skis from the Target dollar spot. And again, they're white, so they match the color scheme, but I also love the idea of like the winter sports. I'm actually pretty bad at skiing, but I thought it was so cute and so easy. I think it's really easy and nice looking. Then I have this cute little birdhouse, also from the Target Dollar Spot. These like Target Dollar Spot items came after Christmas, so after all the Christmas was cleared out. This is like the winter collection, if you will. I thought this was just adorable. I don't know if you can tell, but the like body of the box is actually a very light minty blue, so it matches the color scheme again, and also I think it's very like cute and cozy. I think it matches well with the skis since they're both kind of wood. It makes it feel cozier. And then I just actually put it on top of a little cupcake stand that's also from the Target Dollar Spot. And I actually wanted to get one more like set of these to put on this side just to create symmetry. But every time I went back to Target, these were sold, the houses themselves were sold out. So maybe I'll find something next year since winter comes every year, and I am not trying to rush into buying stuff because I know cute stuff will come out each year, but this is what I had set up for this year. There's nothing much in the kitchen. We actually got a new kitchen appliance for Christmas as well, a little rice cooker, so I couldn't put like my picture of florals up here if you saw on my Christmas tour, but I'm okay with that. Kitchen is meant to be like for cooking, so I'm okay with that. The one thing that I did change out was my little dish towel here. So this one's really cute because it has little like fancy cats on it, and these are from World Market, and I thought again the white and black keeps it really fresh for winter. And then these towels I always have from Williams-Sonoma, and they're just gray and white because I use a lot of gray in decorating, so that's just there replacing the more Christmassy towels that were there before. And I also have new dish and hand soap. These are Mrs. Meyer's, the peppermint scent, and they don't match the blue and white like winter theme, but they are a wintry scent, and also I know that this will last me until Valentine's Day, so that'll be fun to have some pink in the kitchen for Valentine's Day. So that is our winter apartment tour. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will stay subscribed to see more seasonal home tours.